Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the conclusion writer flow from scratch. If you'd like to see it in action, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. We'll begin by adding our first component, the tool calling agent. This component acts as the core of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that processes user inputs and generates tailored conclusions by leveraging the tools at its disposal. The prompt or goal of this agent is in the description and shown on screen, so you can copy and use it. We should also add a chat history component to ensure that the AI remains context-aware and doesn't lose track of the conversation. Next, we'll add the YouTube search component. This component can be adapted to gather information or context about the content users provide from YouTube. After that, we'll add the URL retriever component. For this flow, it extracts content from URLs or other sources provided by the user, converting it into text that the flow can process effectively. We will also add the document retriever in order to use our pre-indexed documents and sources. Everything is set. Simply connect the AI agent to the output, and your conclusion writer is now fully equipped to generate meaningful and engaging conclusions based on the provided content. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. As always, thank you for watching.